In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download threads from Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up App Store or Google Play and then just search for Threads. After that, at the very first position, except the ad, we can easily find Threads and Instagram, and then all we have to do is just tap at Get. Then we need to confirm the installation by double-click on an iPhone 11. And then we need to wait for the download to complete. Once it is done, we can open up Threads app, and the cool thing here is that we can save our Instagram username. It has already been added automatically, and then we can tap on it. On the next step, we can edit our name, bio. Also, we can add there some links. However, we can just skip this step. Then we need to choose whether we want to create public or private profile. I'm just gonna keep it public and tap at next. Then we can choose which accounts we would like to follow. It shows us our Instagram followings, and we can follow them in that way, or we can tap at follow all and then just tap at join threads. That's how you can easily download and install Threads.